Right, let's go back to Ant Design and let's explore the components. And here we want to explore the button component. So this button component, and in here, so what we want a button, something like this, maybe a rounded one. And if I show code, so the download one, so here, right? So this is the download one. So this is how it's been used. And the size, we have to specify the size. So let me command C on this. And also I want to explore the table. So let's go back to the table component. So table in here. And I just want to see. So basically, remember we had the basically the border title, and I think was the header. Yeah, so here header in here, and then footer. And basically I think we can have some basically the button can be here, and then the footer can contain some information, for example. So here let's go back to IntelliJ, and what we're going to do is the following. So let's open up the front end now. So front end, and then src, and then app.js. And in here where we have the title, so we're going to have the basically, let me just do this, right? So this title actually returns a component. So what we want is basically to paste the button there, just like that. So if I put this full screen, and here what I'm going to do is, so we actually need to import all of those. So here I'm just going to put my mouse in here and then press option and then import, and there we go. And also we need the download outline, so we're going to import that from the icons as well. So if I go up, you can see that what it's done. So in here, so if I expand import, you can see that we have the button in here and also the download outlined. So this is cool. So let me just save this, go back in here for a second, and here, right? So we have to define the size, as I said before. So let's just go back, and here the size for this. So let me just see if I can put it like that, and then format things. So the size in here, this will be a string. And if I press Control space, we don't get auto completion, which is sad. But here, let's say large, for example. Save this, and let's this be in double quotes, just like that. And let me go back once more, and you can see that we have download in here. So if I click on it, nothing happens. So I think this is too big. So let's see medium. Save. And also we're going to say add, and then new, and then student. And we want the icon to be, so basically we're going to change this in a second. But if I save this and then go back, you can see that we have add new student. And I think the size, I think it's medium. I think it worked, or maybe small. Let's have a look. So small. There we go. I think small looks good. So here, let's go to icons. So let's search for icons. So we have basically icons. So let me just press Command F, icons. And right, so where are they? Yeah, icon in here, my bad. So here, and then we have, let's search for plus. There we go, plus outlined. So I've just copied that, and wow, check this out. They even have these nice examples, these emojis, which is kind of cool. So here, let me go back, and this will be basically, let me just delete that, paste that in. And we have to import this option and then enter, import, save, and in here, check this out. So this is looking good. So now that we have this button right here, so the plus icon, so add student, when we click on it, nothing happens. So here, nothing happens. What we want to do is to use a component that will allow us to basically have a form in it, maybe a modal or a drawer. And that's what we're going to do next.